If you need a versatile way to mix things up in the kitchen, a compact and well-designed hand mixer is the way to go. But which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 hand mixers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best hand mixers. The 5th product on this list is the Cuisinart Evolution X. Do you enjoy experimenting with your favorite snacks or ingredients, creating delightful dishes in your kitchen? If so, get ready to unleash your culinary creativity with this revolutionary hand-powered tool. Perfect for making sauces, soups, and more. This versatile device offers the same performance as conventional stand mixers, but with added convenience. Featuring 5 variable speeds, this hand mixer allows you to effortlessly blend soups, crush ice, and whip cream to perfection, achieving flawless, fluffy mixtures every time. The thoughtfully designed body boasts a curved shape, providing easy access to the blade when pouring your mixture into a bowl or container. Operating the mixer is a breeze, thanks to the LED display control panel that offers precise speed settings and includes a pulse feature for added convenience. One of the most significant advantages of this cordless mixer is its portability. Conveniently charged, it's always ready to go whenever you are, offering 7 speeds to meet all your mixing needs. The smooth die-cast stainless steel blades deliver exceptional performance, whether you're whipping cream or mashing potatoes. Noteworthy is the 180-degree swivel beaker, which allows you to use the handle comfortably in any position. This feature proves especially useful when mixing substantial amounts of food or liquids, ultimately saving you cleanup time. With this innovative hand-powered tool at your disposal, the possibilities for creating delectable masterpieces are endless. Say goodbye to traditional limitations and embrace the freedom and ease of this impressive mixer in your kitchen. Its pros are: its lightweight design makes it suitable for those who struggle to hold kitchen tools for long periods of time. It is not too noisy with a rating of just 66 decibels, and it has one set of attachments, making it a versatile tool when it comes to creating a cake batter. However, it has no eject button for attachments, which makes it difficult to dismantle. The Cuisinart Evolution X is ideal for mixing up sauces, soups, batters, and more. It takes only 20 minutes to charge fully, so you can quickly prepare delicious meals with ease. Up next in 4th place is the Oster HeatSoft. Step into the kitchen and prepare to achieve the perfect butter every time. The hand mixer introduces the power of HeatSoft technology to your home kitchen, effortlessly bringing cold butter to room temperature quickly. With 7 speeds and extra power, this mixer easily tackles all your baking projects, from kneading bread dough to whipping cream. Thanks to its powerful 270-watt motor, this hand mixer can swiftly transform cold butter to room temperature, saving you the 30-minute wait on the counter. Moreover, its one-touch beater eject lever simplifies cleanup, allowing you to remove beaters without creating a mess. This quiet and lightweight mixer comes equipped with durable beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk to handle various baking tasks. It includes an array of attachments such as an easy-to-operate dough hook and whisk, designed to tackle nearly any baking project with precision. Whether you're whipping up a batch of homemade cookies or working on fresh bread dough, this mixer is sure to exceed your expectations. Its pros are: its built-in fan will blow warm air into your mixing bowl to gently soften cold butter. It has 7 speed settings and can beat through cookie dough, whipped cream, and more. And it softens butter within 1.5 minutes, in contrast to the 30 minutes it usually takes for butter to soften when left out at room temperature. However, the attachments can only be hand-washed. The Oster HeatSoft wondrous butter function is something you can't find elsewhere. It will appeal to anyone serious about getting the texture of their baked goods just right, and it is satisfying to use simultaneously. Still haven't found a hand mixer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Breville Handy Mix Scraper. Cooking is an absolute pleasure, so make sure you're fully equipped to tackle all your baking projects with ease. This hand mixer boasts a compact beater design with 9 speeds, providing the power you need in a conveniently compact package. The comfortable handle ensures comfortable usage and easy cleanup. Included in the package are 2 scraper beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 2 balloon whisks, allowing you to whip up any dessert or baked goods your heart desires. What's more, the unique Beater IQ technology monitors whisking speed and automatically adjusts to deliver the necessary power. Thanks to its patented quiet scraper beater attachments, messy splatters are a thing of the past, reducing cleanup time significantly. The comfortable handle makes combining ingredients a breeze, and its compact design ensures effortless storage. Impressively, the robust 50-watt motor rotates the beaters at an astonishing speed of up to 200 revolutions per minute. This hand mixer is more than capable of handling all your kitchen needs with versatility and efficiency. Embrace the joy of cooking with this fantastic tool at your disposal. Its pros are: its double whisk design sucks eggs through without a problem, making it incredibly easy to whip eggs. It has 9 speed settings that allow you to achieve your desired results, and it has a powerful motor, precision controls, and 6 accessory attachments. However, it is a bit heavy to use for extended periods of time. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper has the power and performance to handle bread dough and meringues equally. It's ideal for making cakes, cookies, and other desserts. The second product on this list is the Smeg 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer. For those seeking to cook in style and add a retro touch to their kitchen, this electric hand mixer is the perfect choice. With its colorful, contemporary, and retro design, it seamlessly blends into any kitchen setting and feels equally at home in an office pantry. Baking becomes an absolute breeze with this mixer, making every baking experience delightful. Equipped with a smooth start function and 9 speed levels, you have the flexibility to adjust its power according to your preferences. Additionally, the soft start function allows you to power up the mixer effortlessly without the need to press any buttons. The backlit LED display ensures ease of use in any lighting situation, making it a versatile companion for preparing pancakes on a Sunday morning or baking cookies late at night. But that's not all. This mixer comes with 2 dough hooks that work wonders in kneading ingredients into a silky smooth dough, as well as 2 silicone beaters for whipping creams into stiff peaks, perfect for creating decadent desserts like mousses or sponges. Keeping everything organized and easily accessible, an accessory storage bag is included. From mixing the thickest cake batter to gently blending ingredients for delicate sauces and meringues, this hand mixer strikes the perfect balance of power and gentleness. Experience the joy of baking with this stylish and efficient tool at your side. Its pros are: its top-notch build quality with a red aluminum body and stainless steel accents for a premium feel. It has a retro style that adds an eye-catching and fun element to kitchen decor, and its gradual speed increases the smooth start function, prevents splattering and mess during operation. However, it is not great at standing upright on a countertop. The Smeg 50s Retro Style Electric Hand Mixer combines the unique look with practical features that complete any kitchen. These stainless steel dough hooks easily mix your toughest batters to ensure a delicious outcome every time. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top hand mixer is the KitchenAid KHMB732. Are you eager to whip up your favorite cookies in under 30 minutes or effortlessly mix ingredients for your most cherished dishes? Look no further, as this convenient and versatile hand mixer is the perfect tool for any home baker. What sets this mixer apart is its exceptional features that cater to the needs of home bakers. With its soft start and planetary mixing action, you can expect a smooth and even mix every single time. The beaters are designed to lift up and out of the bowl and workspace, ensuring more efficient mixing without creating a mess. Its ergonomic design guarantees that the beaters run smoothly through thick ingredients, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The powerful 200-watt motor and its accessories allow you to mix a cake batter recipe in less than 60 seconds, a true time saver for busy bakers. The hand mixer's ergonomic handle and soft start feature, coupled with its 7 speed settings, cater to all your mixing needs with ease and precision. The inclusion of a lithium-ion battery is a game-changer, offering quick charging in just 10 minutes and powerful performance that can handle up to 200 cookies per charge. The locking system secures attachments firmly, preventing any unwanted mishaps while you work in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its convenience. There's no need to transfer batter into separate containers, use extra bowls, or rely on food processors. It streamlines the baking process, making it effortless to whip up delicious homemade desserts and sauces for your family and friends. In conclusion, this hand mixer is a must-have for home bakers who seek efficiency, convenience, and outstanding performance in their kitchen endeavors. It's a reliable companion that will elevate your baking experience and allow you to indulge in delectable homemade treats with ease. Its pros are: it's cordless, so you're not tethered to an outlet and can use the hand mixer wherever you want. It can make up to 4 batches of cookies in one charge. It's 7 speeds and a convenient soft start feature to avoid any splatter. And it has a stainless steel turbo beater that ensures thorough mixing no matter the consistency of your batter or dough. However, it doesn't include whisk or dough hook attachments. The KitchenAid KHMB732 has all the power and performance you've come to expect. It's easy to maneuver and features 7 speeds to stir, mix, and whip all of your favorite recipes. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.